Live start பண்ணியாச்சு. Okay, welcome to KANA ASTRA live test 68. இன்னைக்கு botany test number 13. Your syllabus is anatomy of flowering plants. ஆரம்பிக்க போறோம். லிங்க் ஷேர் பண்ணிட்டாங்கல்ல? இங்க இதுக்கு சரி, உங்களுக்கு தான் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் தெரியுதுல்ல? ஓகே, லிங்க் யூஸ் பண்ணி எல்லாம் ஜாயின் பண்ணியாச்சுல? பேர் எல்லாம் ரீநேம் பண்ணிக்கோங்க உங்களோட நேம் so that we know. ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாமா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் ரெடியா இருங்க. Cells of parenchyma are usually A. Diametric, isodiametric, pentagonal or orthorhombic. Twenty seconds. 11. இன்னும் 2 பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். Answer is isodiametric. ரெண்டு இவ்வளோ பேர் கரெக்டாக ஆன்சர் பண்ணுங்க. Nida has answered the fastest. Next question. Okay, question number 2. The type of primary xylem when protoxylem lies towards the pith is known as A. Endarch, exarch, endoexarch or both 1 and 3. Twenty seconds. இன்னும் 2 பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. 10 seconds. Answer is A. Endarch. Tia has answered the fastest. Question போலாம். Number 3. Given diagram of section of root of maize, different parts are indicated by alphabets. Choose answer in which these alphabets have been correctly matched. Twelve seconds. Answer is C. Option A, root hair. Pretty obvious. In has answered the fastest. Okay, question number 4. In transosection of dicot stem, correct order from epidermis to pith. Fifteen seconds. Five seconds. Answer is option C. Nida has answered the fastest. Fifth question. The hypodermis of dicot stem and monocot stem is made up of A. Collenchyma, sclerenchyma respectively, B. Collenchyma for both, C. Sclerenchyma in both, D. Sclerenchyma and collenchyma respectively. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Option A. Collenchyma for dicot, sclerenchyma for monocot. Nida has answered the fastest. Question number 6 start பண்ண போறோம். When protoxylem lies towards the center and metaxylem towards the periphery, xylem is called. வெறும் 15 seconds தான் இருக்கு. ரெண்டு பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். டைம் முடியப்போ ஒரு ஆள் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. Option A, endark is the answer. Present in stem. Again, Kin has answered the fastest. Question 7. Of all of the following cases, monocot root is similar to dicot root except. Twenty seconds. Ten seconds. No. For all the answer பண்ணணும். 5 seconds. Option C, usually more than 6 xylem bundles. The answer. Okay, question number 8 start பண்ணலாம். Identify the incorrect statement regarding secondary growth. Twenty seconds. ஒரு ஆள் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க. Option C is the correct answer. பாதி பேர் கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் பண்ணி. Dia has answered the fastest. Question 9. Collenchyma cells are characterized by. Seconds. 6 seconds. ஒரு ஆள் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. Option B, thickened corners with a high concentration of cellulose and pectin. Nida has answered the fastest. Number 10. Which one is true for lenticels? A. Lens-shaped opening for gaseous exchange. B. Formed during primary growth of a plant body. Formed due to the pressure exerted by complementary cells which are formed by activity of phelogen. D. Both 1 and 3. 20 seconds. No, ஒரு ஆள் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணோம். 10 seconds. Okay. Answer is option D, both 1 and 3. Skin has answered the fastest. Question 11. Which of the following is true for trichomes of stem? They're always unbranched, soft and stiff, or stiff. They do not perform secretion. They help in preventing water loss due to transpiration, or may show secondary growth. 20 seconds. ரெண்டு பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. 10 seconds. ஒரு ஆள் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. C is your answer. Help in preventing water loss due to transpiration. அது எப்படி? Nida has answered the fastest. Okay, question number 12. Transpirational rate is controlled by A. Xylem, B. Phloem, C. Guard cell, D. Leaves. ரொம்ப டைரக்டான ஒரு கொஸ்டின். 20 seconds. டென் செகண்ட் ஒரு ஆள் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. Guard cell is your answer. Nida has answered the fastest. Okay, question number 13. Which one is true for spongy parenchyma? No, ஒரு ஆள் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. 20 seconds. இன்னும் ஒரு ஆள் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. 10 seconds. D, all of the above. Kin has answered the fastest. Okay, question number 14. Incorrect statement with regard to monocot root is A. Xylem bundles are usually more than 6. B. Pith is very large. Secondary growth does not take place. D. Endodermis possess thick walled passage cell. 20 seconds. ரெண்டு பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். 10 seconds. ஒரு ஆள் இன்னும் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. Option D, endodermis possess thick-walled passage cell. Nida has answered the first. Okay, question number 15. Statements. First statement, trichomes in shoot system usually multicellular and can be branched or unbranched. 2. Root hairs are unicellular elongations of epidermal cells that help absorb water and minerals from soil. Which of the following statements are correct? 20 seconds. ரெண்டு பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணலாம். Root hairs are unicellular elongations of epidermal cells that help absorb water and minerals from the soil. எனக்கு தெரியாதுங்க. 5 seconds. இன்னும் ஒரு ஆள் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. Both 1 and 2 are correct statements. Tia has answered the fastest. Okay, question number 16. Opening and closing of stomata is a function of A. Cuticle, B. Guard cell, C. Waxy layer, D. Xylem. No, ஒரு ஆள் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. இன்னும் ஒரு ஆள் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. ஆன்சர் இஸ் guard cell. எல்லாரும் கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். Nida and Kin ரெண்டு பேருமே they have answered the fastest. Okay, question number 17. A piece of wood with no vessels, trachea, must belong to A. Teak, B. Mango, C. Pine, D. Palm. $15 seconds. ஒரு ஆள் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. Answer is option C. Pine. Metal answered the fastest. The cells shown in the below diagram are of dash tissue and can be seen in dash layer of the dicot stem. Dash tissue and seen in dash layer. $20 seconds. No, ஒரு ஆள் ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். 10 seconds. No, ஒரு ஆள் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. Option A, collenchyma tissue seen in hypodermis layer of the dicot stem. Tia has answered the fastest. Okay, question number 19. Read the given statements. Statement number 1. Sieve tube elements and companion cells are connected by pit fields present between their common longitudinal walls. 2. Phloem parenchyma made of elongated, non-tapering cylindrical cells, scanty cytoplasm. 3. Phloem fibers made of parenchymatous cells. 4. Companion cells help in maintaining pressure gradient in sieve tubes. 5. Phloem parenchyma stores food material and other substances like resin, latex, mucilage. How many of them are correct? 10 seconds. ஒரு ஆள் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. Option A, 3 statements are correct. Metal. Oh, metal. Question number 20. Structure exhibiting double fertilization. Single layer barrel shaped cells with no intercellular space, Casparian strips. These are parts of which structure? 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Overall answer பண்ணல. Overall answer பண்ணல. Option C, endodermis of monocot root. Tia has answered the fastest. Okay, question number 21. Choose the incorrect statement with regard to anatomical features of monocot root. Twenty seconds. Ten seconds. No, ரெண்டு பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. ஒரு ஆள் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. Answer is option A. Pericycle produces lateral roots and part of vascular canal. Metal and Danusha correct answer. Question number 22. Mark the correct ones with respect to bundle sheath in a dicot leaf. Parenchymatous, collenchymatous, parenchymatous, or lignified. No, ஒரு ஆள் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. 90 seconds. No, ஒரு ஆள் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. Dicot leaf. Parenchymatous. Your answer. Madhushri has answered the fastest. Madhushri and Danusha. Question number 23. Phellogen is a kind of secondary meristem. Fifteen seconds. ஒரு ஆள் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். One more person. Answer is B, usually developing in cortex region of dicot. Question Tia has answered the fastest. So metal was Agarshini. Okay, question number 24. Interfascicular cambium is present between A, primary xylem and primary phloem, B, pericycle and endodermis, C, two vascular bundles, D, secondary xylem and secondary phloem. 20 seconds. 8 seconds. ஒரு ஆள் தான் இன்னும் ஆன்சர் பண்ணோம். Answer C, 2 vascular bundles. இதா மட்டும்தான் கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். Last question for today. Ready எல்லாரும்? Last question for today. Mark A, B, C and D. உள்ள இருந்து வெளியே. Fifteen seconds. 5 seconds இருக்கு. ஒரு ஆள் இன்னும் ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். Answer is C. Agarshini has answered the fastest. இன்னைக்கு இது வின்னர் நிதா. ஓகே, தேங்க் யூ ஃபார் அட்டெண்டிங் டெஸ்ட். நாளைக்கு திருப்பி பார்ப்போம்.